Alright, back with another Bic whiteout video. Or if this is a knockoff, I'm not sure what the brand is, but this is the second fix your whiteout tape video I've done. The first one was my first YouTube video about 7 years ago. Just get yourself a little flathead screwdriver and start maybe right here at the nose, wherever you can find a spot to pry, and then just pry the two pieces open. Anyways, still my most popular YouTube video to date, so I'm not doing this for fun. Just happened to have this whiteout tape get wonky on me. I don't know if I still have my original. I think I have either misplaced it or I don't know what happened to it, but for some reason, I don't remember buying this, but this showed up at my desk, so hopefully I didn't break that there. Anyways, totally different design here. You got two gears. So I'll show you how to fix it. Basically, it would help to know that as you're doing the tape, you're going to go like that. It's going to feed this way, so that gear is moving this way, which causes this gear to move this way. So the used up piece needs to actually come in underneath. So the used up needs to come in underneath and go around, not over the top. So this is much easier, I would say, than the last original type I worked on. Superior design with the gears, less weird routing of it, but just go ahead and wind up any still good material you have. If any of your still good tape was sticking out, put this guy back where it goes. Seems universal, top or bottom. All right. So now we're going above that little rod. Press down on it, get it in there. Not sure if we're gonna be able to save it or if we're gonna have to undo it again. Let's see, we're close. Real close. Well, that is nice and tight. That's a good thing. Alright. Hopefully that'll do it. I don't know if those two are supposed to be rubbing together so close like that, but pop it on and check. That was extremely tight, so feel pretty good about the tightness of it at least. Okay, there we go. Rolling fresh tape. And it's reeling in nicely. That is how you fix the 2-gear whiteout tape. Whether it's made by Bic or not, I'm not sure. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.